In this video, we're going to go over the Check Your Understanding from 4.3b, Inference and Ethics. When an athlete suffers a sports-related concussion, does it help to remove the athlete from play immediately? Researchers recruited 95 athletes seeking care for a sports-related concussion at a medical clinic and followed their progress during recovery. Researchers found statistically significant evidence that athletes who were removed from play immediately recovered more quickly on average than athletes who continued to play. So that's statistically significant, meaning that it's more likely that their recovery happened because of taking them out of play rather than just random chance because of sampling variation. So what conclusion can we draw from the study? So you want to think about, was this an experiment where the treatments were imposed? Was there random selection? Or think about random selection and random assignment, and that's going to tell you your scope of inference. So we can't make inference about the population or cause and effect because they recruited, they didn't randomly sample, and they didn't impose the treatment. It's not like they told the athletes to go get a concussion, like this half, you're going to go get a concussion, we'll take you out. This half, you're going to get a concussion and you're going to stay playing, and we'll compare the results. We can say that athletes in this study, so that's who we can make our conclusion about, recovered more quickly if removed from play. So that's the best you're going to do. You can't say cause and effect. You can't say this is going to be true for all football players. Would it be ethical to conduct an experiment? No, you can't assign athletes to continue playing after they are injured. It's just not ethical especially if you know it's better for them to come out. It just seems better. Okay, now we have the next question. Let me move this down. Can eating nuts during pregnancy help children avoid nut allergies? Researchers studied over 8,000 children who were born in the early 1990s to mothers who were part of Nurses' Health Study 2. Children whose mothers eat the most nuts during pregnancy, at least 5 times per week, were significantly less likely to develop nut allergies than children whose mothers ate the least amount of nuts, less than once per month. Does this study show that eating nuts during pregnancy causes a reduced risk of nut allergies in children? So you want to look at the prompt and see, did they impose the treatment? Well, they didn't. There wasn't any random assignment. It was just an observational study where they saw who was eating nuts and who wasn't. Would it be ethical to conduct an experiment? Well, so what they're studying is the baby's nut allergy. The babies are the ones receiving the treatment, and since they can't give informed consent, which is one of our main pillars of data ethics, it would not be ethical. The end.